Hey guys, this is DC Flash, and this is DC Flash Teaches Random Dumb Stuff. I don't need these glasses. I'm just boring. So, today I'm going to cover what I've done wrong while building my PC, and I'm not even finished yet. That's good. For my processor, I got an Intel Pentium. I know it's not really amazing, but it's definitely better than like what my computer has right now. It's like an old AMD processor. So this will be good enough for like playing Fortnite or something. I also got that motherboard. The BioStar TB250 BTC motherboard. It has a Intel B250 chipset. Means it takes an Intel processor. I don't know what power supply, like wattage, is that the word? Tell me in the comments. Give me another subscriber and 10 likes on this video. Come on. Okay, but I don't know. One of the things I did wrong, well, 3 things. For the record, with this, copying LazarBeam, not original. I bought my motherboard first, and I just thought I'd rather have a Core i3, i5, or i7 processor for my PC. All 3 of those are pretty good. So I find an i7 processor. I know nothing about this at the beginning. I'm learning as I go. I buy like the 3rd or 4th generation or something. I don't even know. So it has like the 1366 socket or something. Socket fit. It's a square. It's just a square with another square on top. That's all it is. And it's like 3 times too big. Because I didn't know how to do this at the time. So then I returned that. I'm like, okay, I'm new at this. It'll be fine. The next one will be fine. Nope. I get a dumb little thing called a Core i5 processor. I found on my socket on my motherboard it said LGA 115X, which means it's not very specific. It's a broad of like 1155, 1156, 1150, 1151 sockets or something. So I assume they're all pretty much the same. And I found that processor, it says 1156. Right? Okay. Nope. My is a LGA 1151. So I have to send it back again. And then I buy the Intel Pentium that fits my motherboard now for like $60. Now I'm broke. I couldn't figure out what socket it was. I didn't know how to be specific because I kept reading everything. And I go to Amazon and I do some typey. In the title of the motherboard, like in the product name, product title, it says the exact socket there. It says in big bold letters, I'm not kidding, big bold letters, LGA 1151 socket. And as I read that, my dad points it out to me, and all that's going through my head is I am a really dumb person. I read it, and I'm like,
I'm sorry. Mm-hmm.
And then later, I get my power supply off of eBay. It's not very smart. I don't even know what brand it was. It's brand new. That's all I remember. 500 watt. It's not bad. Not bad at all. I grab it, okay, I'm good. 20 plus 4 pin fits my motherboard. It's 4 pin instead of 8 pin, which is what my CPU needs. And it doesn't have anything for a GPU and not more than one SATA power. I'm like, dang it. I'm like, I need to read more. So then now I'm aiming And now I'm aiming for an EVGA 600 watt. Has all the appropriate connections. I'm just broke. So if somebody will just send me $35 or something, that would be great. Or just like this video, because my mom says she will help me with monetization when I get 25 meaningful teaching videos. And I said to her, what determines a valuable video like that? And she's like, yeah, good point. Just as long as it teaches somebody. Just teaches something. And I have a bunch of those. Just a lot of them my mom doesn't count. So I'm like, what am I doing wrong? But the one I posted yesterday counted, I guess. So I guess I have to stick to something like that. Because I have the 10 weird facts video. She didn't count that, but okay. I can't see with these on. So I returned the power supply. And now I've learned to read all about the products a lot more before I buy anything, or you will mess up. I've already lost $20 in return fees and stuff. It's really annoying. I had more money. Luckily I earned a little bit more because I lost some, but oh no, I'm not broke. I have $5. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. More of these DC Flashy just dumb stuff will come soon, just because I'm trying to put a little more comedy into my videos. But so hit that like button, get me to 10 likes, hit that subscribe button, please. I need it, please. I'm only at 31. I hope that's correct. Subscribe to my other channel, which is in the description down below, and subscribe to LazarBeam, just cause I like him. Don't judge me. He's a good YouTuber, in my opinion. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope to post another video soon. See ya.